If you need to find your Epic Games security code, the first thing to know is that the code depends on which two-factor authentication method you have set up. In most cases, Epic Games sends the security code to the email address linked to your account. So if you're trying to log in and waiting for that code, start by checking the inbox for the email account associated with Epic Games. If you don't see it right away, make sure to check your spam, junk, promotions, or other filtered folders too, because sometimes security emails get moved there automatically. Once you find the message, open it and copy the security code exactly as shown, then enter it back into Epic Games to continue signing in. If you still can't find the code, double check that you're looking at the correct email address tied to your Epic account, since that's one of the most common reasons people miss it. Also, if you recently requested the code multiple times, only the newest code may work, so use the latest email you received. If your account is using a different two-factor method, like an authenticator app or another verification option, the code may not come through email at all. So be sure to use the method you originally enabled. Once you have the code, enter it carefully and avoid typos, because security codes are usually case-sensitive or time-sensitive. If this video helped, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment and I'll help you troubleshoot it step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.